This next twist has a couple of names. You'll hear it called a pinch twist or an ear twist, and you'll see why in a moment, because you pinch it and it also makes great ears. So take, twist a point, then these bubbles will be small, rarely more than an inch. So let's make a little small one here, about a 1/2 to 3/4 inch bubble. Take and lay the balloon alongside so that you got your small bubble here on top. And then what you want to do is you're going to make sure and grab the two ends. And the way I'll do this, I'll take my index finger and put it in between like that. Rotate so you can see it. My thumb and middle finger on the outsides, pull it out gently, and then just twist the entire thing around a time or two. And you've got a pinch twist, and if you look at it, you can see how it looks like a little small ear. If you get them too big, they won't have this tight little C shape like that. They'll become bigger bubbles, more like a small fold twist. You want to get them tight, small, and you want to make sure you bring the two twist points together. They're great for making things bend at a 90-degree angle, for making ears like on teddy bears, cats, things like that. You can turn them different ways to get different effects. You can even take and do another one on the opposite side. And again, just pinch it up, twist it around. And if you put one on opposite sides like that, you can form a joint, or what looks like a joint, like a knee or something on a creature or creation or whatever. The pinch twist.